Hello heroes and beauties, welcome to Motorholic. So today we are checking out the recently launched Tata Safari Gold Editions, and you can see here is the key of the Gold Edition, which is exactly same. According to me, it should have got some gold treatment on the key also, but at last it's exactly same as the other variants. So the Gold Edition is actually available only in two colors, which are standing in front of us. And first one is this frosty white color, and it gets some sparkling treatments in it which can't be noticed through camera, but in real life if you will check out, it gets some treatment. Whereas the second one is your coffee bean inspired black, and looking it also gets some sparkling finish on it, which can be seen, I guess. And looking from the closure, it looks a bit of a this chocolatey color, but looking for far it will be a black. So the Gold Edition, obviously as the name suggests, gets some gold treatment, especially the chrome and the silver treatments have been removed with these gold treatments. You can see the chrome grill has been completely swapped by the gold grill and gold Tata logo here, and you get this gold treatment below the DRLs also, and the gold treatment around this headlights also. And here is the engine, which is exactly same as the other variants, Cryotech. And gold is actually available in total 4 variants, which includes a 7-seater manual as well as automatic, whereas 6-seater manual as well as automatic. So you get chrome finish on door handles also. And let's turn off the vehicle. So you can see it gets hashtag gold badging here, like the hashtag dark. So the alloys is now, you can see it gets a charcoal black 18-inch alloy wheels, and the size is 235/60 R18. And coming on the side, the door handles at the back also get a gold finish, you can see. And the roof rails, which was earlier silver with the Safari badging, has been swapped with the gold treatment, you can see. And coming on the rear, you can see the Safari badging now is in gold. Same is the case with the Tata logo, and you can see the attention to detail. Tail lights are all exactly same. Below are the fog lights, and this is now your black. And you can see rear spoiler, and this gold is not too shiny, not too matte finish. It is a perfectly balanced finish, you can see. It looks nice. Coming on the interior, you get some gold treatments on the inner door handle, and you get around the AC vents also. And this, which was earlier a wooden, now has been finished with a marble treatment, which looks marble, but obviously it's not marble, it's a fiber, and it looks really nice with some crack on it, and above it you get a soft material. Same case applies here. You get this chrome treatment around this, chrome treatment on here also, and rest here is the piano black as the same. And what the new feature in this Gold Edition is this, your ventilated front as well as the rear seat. So this is one of the segment first, or whichever feature you want to call it. So it gets this, you can see ventilated seats at the back also, but the ventilated seats is only available in the 6-seater variant, obviously. Same case is the case here, inner door handle with gold finish, JBL badging, and your AC vent here also with gold finish on top. and rest the interior is same, you can see. So here is your frosty white color. So it also gets the gold treatment as the black one. You can see the gold treatment here on the grill, Tata logo. And one major difference is this: your skid plate is black, silver, whereas on the black color you get black. So that is one difference you can notice. Whereas leftover things on the exterior are same. You get exactly same charcoal black 18-inch alloy wheels, gold badging here, hashtag gold treatment on the inner door handles too, and gold treatment on roof rails. And one difference is this also: you get silver treatment here, and whereas in that you get black and gold badging of Safari. Safari badging with gold. And here are the tail lights, and rest is almost same, whereas the interior gets a major change. You can notice here the gold treatment here, almost same, with piano black treatment here, gold treatment here also around the AC vent. But this is the difference: in the black you get the black treatment on the hair, on this strip, whereas in this white you get the gold treatment. And this marble finish is also white, as in the black it was black. So this white one looks much more better, I would say. Like it makes you feel it gives you a premium feel, like you are sitting in a Rolls Royce. And above this you get soft treatment as in black. So, and here you get this gold treatment around it, gold treatment here, gold treatment here also, same as the black. And obviously it also gets the ventilated seat function. And on the rear also same treatments, gold here, and a ventilated seats. So it doesn't get any AC vents here, but you get piano black treatment here with two USB sockets, and AC vent is here as I showed you, and a massive panoramic sunroof. So let's go there. And actually the Safari Gold Edition actually costs you around 1,25,000 extra over the regular XZ Plus variant. So that's a lot of money, I would say. So but you get some extra features also in this Gold Edition. Like you get, obviously I showed you 18-inch 18-inch charcoal black alloy wheels. You get ventilated front as well as rear seats, which is only in 6-seater, but in 7-seater you get front ventilated seats. Whereas you also get Wi-Fi, this Wi-Fi connected Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay, and inbuilt air purifier. You can see the inbuilt air purifier as well as Wi-Fi, this connectivity, Bluetooth, this wireless Android Auto connectivity, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is also available in the other variants. You can see it gets cabin AQI, which is air purifier, which is available from XT variant onwards. So now it also gets this wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which can be connected through this Wi-Fi. And it also gets wireless charging pad here, which is also available in the XZ as well as XZ Plus variant, which now cost around 12,000 extra over the previous previous, which was not available with this feature. And now it also gets one more feature, which is the this air purifier, inbuilt air purifier. You can see here is the cabin AQI, and this air purifier is actually available from XT Plus, XT variant onwards. Here it is inbuilt. So here are some extra features which not only the Gold Edition got, but some variants like the XT variants onwards get the AQI and this wireless connectivity for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and this wireless charging pad is available on the XZ and XZ Plus variants, including Persona Edition. So that means, and also this gold edition costs you around 1 lakh extra over the Adventura Persona Edition, whereas 1,25,000 over the this XZ Plus variant. So what are your thoughts on this gold edition, and will you pay 1,25,000 extra for this gold edition with some gold finish and some extra features? Especially the best feature I would say is this your ventilated seats. So what are your thoughts? Do let me know in comment section, and till then stay tuned and be safe. Okay, bye.